What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the baking aisle. So I've been getting a lot of messages in my DM asking me to show you how I make my pumpkin puree. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So guys, I have these two pumpkins and they have been washed, okay? So I like using this particular kind of pumpkin because it is sweeter. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna cut this right in the center, okay? Ooh. Watch your hands there, guys. Okay, there, and I'm gonna cut it in another half, making it quarters, okay? There. Next, I'm going to grab a spoon and a plate, and I'm going to scoop out the seeds. But guys, don't throw away the seeds. You can totally roast them and snack on them. Okay, now that the centers are scooped out, I am going to line them on my sheet, my oven safe sheet, so that I am going to put them upside down like so. Okay. Okay guys, these pumpkins are now lined on this tray and I'm gonna put it in my oven and I'll bake it for anywhere between 30 to 45 minutes or until it's fork tender. And I'm gonna be baking it in my oven that is already preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay guys, here it is. It looks weird, right? But don't worry, this is what you'll be expecting. So I have had this in the oven for about 45 minutes and you can see how that fork goes in so easy. See? All right, so I'm going to let this cool for a few minutes and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so now that my pumpkins are cool, so I'm just gonna move it aside. Okay, then I'm gonna bring in this bowl and I'm gonna pick each pumpkin and I'm going to, so I'm like ignoring this part that is caramelized, but it doesn't matter. You can totally add it if you don't mind. Okay, so I am now going to scoop my pumpkin into this bowl. this is the last one. Scooping out the roasted pumpkin. Okay, now that all my pumpkin is scooped out, now the flesh is here, it's time to puree it. Okay, so I have here my immersion blender and I'm going to use that to blend. Okay, and this is as simple as it gets, guys. This is how simple it is. Pretty easy to make. It's pureed, every part of it. Just look. Okay, this bowl has a lid and it is a glass bowl, so I'm just gonna put the lid on and I'll leave it in the fridge until I'm ready to use it. I usually would use this within 2 days of making it. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video to the end, and I hope you subscribe, and if you do, please hit that notification bell so that every single time that I upload a video you will be notified. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. See you in my next one.